everybody. Average Guy Craps here with Big AZ.
Hey.
Day 7. Nothing bad could happen. Testing again. We have, for some reason, $15. We should have $14 inside, across. And what we're going to do is press the profits. And we're going to go for 15 rolls. See if we can't bank something. All right, here goes McNuffin. I think we're ready. Go. And there's a 12 on the come out. All right, we're safe. Now we only need 14 rolls. What do we got there? Yo, all right, only 13 rolls. 6. All right, 6 is our point. Here we go. I like 6 as a point. There you go. See, right back at it. All right, so inside we're going to press 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. But we don't need that many rolls right now. All right, there's an 8. And a 9. Bang.
Sweet.
So do the outsides 4, 5, 9, 10?
Sure.
All right. Set out.
Not a good start.
Can't believe it. Unbelievable.
It's rigged.
After 20 rolls, it's believable. There we go. 7 on the come out. Nice. And a hard 4. And an 8. All right, so we get our $4. We'll press inside. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And a 4, hit our point. And we got $4. So 4, 5, 9, 10.
Oh, no, outside's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, just get everything up.
Sure.
We got 4 across. Or 4, 4, 4, and 3, 3. Oh, we're safe on that 7 come out. Here we go. We have a chance here. 4's the point again. 6. All right, we got 467. What do you want to do with that?
How much? Inside. Yeah, inside pressures.
All right. We'll bank the 67 cents because of that 7 that just rolled. She's cold today. All right, here we go. 6. What is that, 3 shooters? Yeah, this is third shooter. Yo, nothing. 8. All right, we'll go insides. Yeah, I've been playing around with a pass line odds martingale.
Interesting.
Well, there went that one.
It's all right. We still got, what, 5 left?
Oh, yeah.
Positive.
All right. 9. $5. By the way, okay, so we got $3. Go inside.
Sure.
Hey, I was wondering about how to release these. Should we release them all like Netflix so you can binge watch, or a day at a time?
If I were you, I'd do one every other day.
All right. Well, there's a 7 out.
That's okay. We're still looking at. We just need one big roll.
He has a positive attitude. I like it. 3 on the come out. Oh, it's garbage.
Again, these are educational videos to learn from our mistakes.
What are you talking about? Every system works. 6, finally. All right. 6 again. All right. So we got $5 on that. So 4 or 10.
4.
All right. 3. And a 5.
Nice.
So that's a cross right there.
Beautiful.
And a 9. All right, $8. So 2 on the insides. 1, 2, 3,
Beautiful.
4, 5, 6, 8. And a 3. What are we gonna do? Oh, we got a ways to go. We got a long way to go. There's a 10 though. $7. So I guess we'll do 2 each, right? We'll
Sure.
kick in 20 cents. And an 8 again.
Nice.
All right, so now let's do 1 here. Let's put 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. All right, now
As
we're.
long as we have 28 in the bank, we're good.
Yep. Oh yeah, we're good. 6, nice.
Nice hit.
So that's
2 across and 3 on the 6-8.
all right. Ooh, that's an 8. They're both leaner.
Nice.
That's amazing.
We go, yeah, go 3 across.
All right. 9.
Nice hit.
Oh.
Beautiful, baby. Go 3 across and then fix the 4. And 10 be even.
Yeah, and I put 4 and 6 8, so we'll kick in $1 more. We'll go. All right.
We're good.
All right. Son.
No, was that 4? Don't you tell me that was 14 again.
Answer?
14. What is with 14?
I told you 12.
What is with that number? 14 has burned us so many times in this series.
Yep.
That was a nice. We had a good roll going too.
Yeah,
There were
we
a lot
had,
of nice numbers.
Now, and I was thinking about this, if you got $100 out there, you've doubled your bankroll. So what are you doing? I mean, take it down.
Well, we're down for the trip, so
So we want to stay down? Hi. Here's a 5. All right. So 1, 2, 3. And 7 out. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shooters. This is our last chance.
all in, baby.
Oops.
Only takes 1.
I think we had it. All right, here it goes. We're down to $1.15. 8 on the come out. 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And a 4. So let's go all the outsides. Everything's at $4. Or 4 4s and 3s. And a hard 4. All right, across again. We're in the $6 crosses. There's an 8. That's our point, too.
Okay, that's all right.
So cross.
Pressure.
7 on the come out. Yes, sir. 5-ski. And a 5 again, right at the point. All right, $8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. There's a 4 on the come out. And a 10. So we got basically $12. So 2 across, huh?
Beautiful.
Oops. Oh, come on. I'll hit the $10 and do that. There, that'll be quicker. All right. 12. Don't care. Oh, the dreaded 7. 11
No,
rolls.
we still have $1 in the rack. All right.
Wait a minute.
We give it a shot. This was day 7, huh?
How do I have a bankroll of $55?
I don't know. I saw $1.04.
Right? That's what it should be.
It was not a come out.
Maybe I hit clear all bets or something. I don't know what I did. Oh, wait.
Okay.
No, that was not coming. Yeah, whatever it was, we were losers.
Yeah, the point was 5. We hit the 5, then the 4. Yeah, I don't know what happened.
Yeah, I don't know either. Maybe I hit clear all bets right before it went down. I don't know. But all I know for sure is day 7's a bust. 14.
Well, we had $1 left.
14 seems to roll. I think 12 is looking like a better realistic something or other.
Well, we would have hit on 14 rolls quite a few times on this series so far. All right, man. Thanks.
All right, up to the next one. Good luck out there.